Mama wakwaba meeting ede adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
Let me tell you something. 2 days ago, 2 days ago, the same Kennedy Japan was holding strings and saying that he has faith in the Electoral Commission of MPP. And that everything is clear. No kululu biya nim, no basabasaye biya nim, or G process nidi, wa G process natum. This is what he said. Okutadiye yellow mi enubi say, one more checki bibiya into one more compare kwe Japan. Ready say this election should go on because he has all the security things there. Or G2 say security near Korean security. Mr. Kennedy Japan. Mr. Kennedy Compre Japan, with all due respect, the most powerful man in Ghana, please go unopposed as an independent candidate. Right now, today, you have shown that even the sitting president, who has made you rich, yes, Kennedy, the sitting president, Akufo-Addo, who has made you rich, you are going to give him a showdown. And you will give the vice president a showdown. This is what we talked about, and your shallow supporters didn't understand. We were talking nonsense. This is the thing we talked about. Say President Diye enye di otumi to enam de ma wo we ye. President Diye enye obi a otumi de wo ba ko school. President Diye enye obi a sebe wo be things come out say fakoto aduane di. That is not a president. We told you people. We told some of you, bloggers, Jimmy Foni Biamugu social media, Kennedy Japan, Timu Pese Mudi Gu party, say party no, and no. When we talk of maturity, we are not talking about age. When we talk about maturity, it is not about age. Maturity is when you say penny die mante. And yansafu ATM yanope miye ya jimini enjai say jimie na ye jimino. Openi die mante. Where your election po? Shedi oya no. Election keke. Look at what Kennedy Japan is doing. And this man told all NPP people, say, or the Mubeko position. And stupid people still follow that bullshit. What's wrong with you people? Yes, pretty. Let me lose you today. Alex, I'm sorry. I love you so much, but let me lose you today. From today, unfollow me and don't come to my page again. It's okay. If I'm telling you the truth and you cannot take the truth in, Alex, I love you so much, but don't ever come on my page again. You leaving my page will not bring my page down. So don't come. Because some of you, this is the bullshit we have endorsed, and we are seeing the thing destroy, and you are still early morning like this, supporting such bullshit. What is wrong with some of you? Alex, this thing just happened. You are seeing the thing happen, and you are still there saying that you are supporting Kennedy Japan for what he's just doing. May say, everybody, as I have said, I will keep saying and say again. We have been told this morning that the biggest man in Ghana, he is bigger than the law. He is bigger than the police. He is actually bigger than the president. Williams Brown, don't try that shit with me. Utie, William, man tries hard with me in me patrol pa me ni unisa. Utie the Americano. You support your candidate. Nobody has told you not to go support your candidate. But don't be coming here and be talking nonsense that you don't know. You don't know anything. So don't try that. I'm begging you. Don't try that nonsense here this morning. William Brown, I'm begging you. I don't want me and you to have any fracas. Don't try that. Don't try that with me this morning. Don't try that with me this morning. Seriously. Don't try that with me this morning. I don't want that nonsense. Listen to me. Everybody who knows me knows that I have always said I'm with Bawumia. I have never changed. So don't take today to say that I'm a Bawumia supporter. And I have never stood anywhere to tell anybody, say, do not support Kennedy Japan. I never said that anywhere. Anybody that listen to me, I have asked them that, listen, you can choose who you want. You can choose who you want. I know why I chose Bawumia. Somebody know why they chose Alan. Somebody know why they chose I'm like Kennedy. Please, let everybody stick to this. But what we have been told today in NSA, Kennedy AY3KA Japan is the most powerful man in Ghana, hands down. Ope Ghana, Bema or Ghana, and any Kennedy Japan. Apart from Kennedy, there is nobody. Kennedy is bigger than the president. Kennedy is bigger than Ghana Army. Kennedy is bigger than everybody in Ghana. So when Kennedy doesn't get his way, everything must destroy. When Kennedy wants to lead your party, if you don't agree, then Kennedy must destroy your party for you. Say Kennedy enya di opa party nu obeguno. And stupid people, titles, foolish enough, stupid people are supporting this kind of nonsense. A president sitting in Jubilee House, they say wada. Vice President yada. Wo de yan fa ne say impono obi. And I then apam candidate said their kana. How do you emphatically say a president and ababek push your people and I say a vice president and baby Kennedy Japan is the biggest man in Ghana. Let him go unopposed. Let him go and stand independent. Kennedy Japan and net Ghana phone in I say who to me on wedding who support chin will be our Ghana. Don't let NPP waste your time of becoming a president. Kennedy Japan. Don't let anybody stop you from becoming the president of Ghana. You have all it takes to be the president of Ghana. So from today, go and stand for independent. Kennedy AY3KA Japan. Koneko jina independent. Na unkro for na do no embe to abamao. You don't need MPP. MPP is wasting your time, Kennedy Japan. MPP is slowing you down. MPP is messing you up. MPP is destroying your business. MPP is destroying everything that you have built. So Kennedy Japan, go independent. Kennedy AY3KA Japan way, go independent. Show the whole Ghana how much power you possess. Let the whole Ghana know you are the one, you are the reason why there is even MPP. Without you, there is no MPP. Kennedy Japan, do your work. Stop bragging, stop ranting unnecessarily. Show the whole Ghana, say, who was so powerful, no? Stop making noise. Kennedy Japan, go for independence, yo. Kennedy Japan, go for independence. Go for independence. Don't let anybody stop you. Don't let anybody stop you. Go for independence. Go for independence. Kennedy Japan. MPP people are playing you wicked. MPP for